Hi, John Morgan here with Bob's Market and Greenhouses. It's hard to believe, but over 15 years ago, our very first YouTube video was about caring for poinsettias. And the information really hasn't changed. You want to make sure that you keep your poinsettia in an area where it's at least, say, 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. They're a tropical plant after all. They like warm temperatures. Also, you want to avoid drafty areas and anywhere where they might get bumped, because the bracts or branches on poinsettias, they can be a little bit brittle and break easily. Also, when you water your poinsettia, you want to make sure that you keep the soil moist, but a good idea is to not let it stand in water. So if you have a decorative foil wrapping around the bottom of the poinsettia, whenever you water it, you want to remove it from that wrapper and let it drain really well. And other than that, there's not a lot to taking care of a poinsettia through the holidays. Now, if you want to nurse it on through the summer and have it change color again, which these really aren't blooms, it's just the leaves that have changed color, there is some special care that you need to do if you're going to keep it as a house plant. And you can find that information over on our website at bobsmarket.com. And well, that is all there is to caring for a poinsettia. They make a wonderful addition to your house during the holidays. And unlike the myth says, they're not poisonous at all. In fact, tonight on YouTube, I'm going to be having a poinsettia salad. So you can find that over on Bob's Live. And well, for this and other great information, find us online at bobsmarket.com. Poinsettias are fairly fragile plants, so avoid having fans or registers blowing on them. That can actually cause the stems to break. Poinsettias prefer moist but not overly wet